it's Jackie, and I am here with the second look for the After Dark palette. This is the second video of this Bad Habit After series, and yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look using the After Dark palette, then stay tuned. Okay, let's get into Bad Habit, the After series. After Dark Look 2. I would make a terrible director, guys. Seriously. Let's put on some eye primer. Bad Habit eyeshadow primer. Holler. I am so terrible. So, I don't know if you could tell, my skin is like, ugh. This is not cool. I don't know. Dermatitis, I don't know. Doesn't go away, apparently. I feel like, I don't know. I have all kinds of skin issues. Everywhere on my elbow, plaque psoriasis, which is what I thought all this was. But then I was told it was dermatitis, which doesn't go away, and there's pretty much nothing you can do about it. And yeah, and I have like eczema or something on my one foot, only one of my feet, my left foot, just one. And on my hands, where skin is constantly healing and then peeling again. I don't know, guys, I got skin issues, what can I say? So now you know why I wear makeup. Cover all that crap up. Okay, let's put a little powder down on that. Set that a little bit. Now let's break into this bad boy again. I'm very excited. I have this. I got it from the Dollar Tree like forever long ago. Just don't wear it because I don't really like it, but I figured it'll work to keep my hair out of my face. So that is what I'm using it for. Okay, I'm gonna go into this Skin to Skin as a transition shade. Wow, I keep forgetting how much kickback this color has. It's quite a bit. This is why I'm doing my eyes first, even though I keep forgetting. I do remember there was some fallout. So, but it's so freaking pigmented though, and so soft. Pigmented and soft. Holler. That's what I be talking about. You hear my stomach? Oh, making so much noise. Okay, let me just... Okay, so now we're gonna go into Rosy Glow. We're gonna put that Rosy Glow color in the crease. Dab, 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 dab. Stamp, 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 stamp. These colors they blend like a dream. They really are great. I love them. I'm gonna go use this little brush. I really wish my stomach would stop being weird. I'm gonna go into Crush on Me. We're gonna use that in the outer corner. Ooh, look at that color. So pretty. All I had to do was just tap my brush into that and bam, color. I love it. Now, we're gonna pop some of that 24 karat on the lid, and I'm going to use my finger for that. Wow. Holy cow. I am digging that. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to take this little Bad Habit pencil brush and I'm going to go into the color Arousal, that dark brown, and I'm going to just deepen up just that outer V. I just feel like it needs to be a little deeper for that golden carrot color. Just think it will look better. So I have thought this through, and Tuesday and Thursday are going to be my after series. So Tuesday will be the first look of that of one of the after palettes. Thursday will be the second look of another after palettes. Mondays and Fridays will just be to have fun with the other palette look until we get to the cult, and then we'll do the same thing with the cult. So yeah, so that is the plan. Go back into Crush on Me, just kind of blend that in with the carrot. Okay, so I'm going to clean up the fallout, pop on lashes, do my face, and then we'll come back, do the bottom lash line. Sound good? I hope so, because you can't actually answer me. Okay, now we're going to go in and do the bottom lash line. And I'm going to take that dark brown Arousal color, put it on the outer corner. And now I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take that rosy glow color and we're going to just run that all along the bottom. And that is all we're doing for the bottom, other than mascara. I lied. I'm going to take a Q-tip, get the waterline dry, and I'm going to use this Brow Lift pencil. And brighten that up. And that's all I'm doing there. Now for the lips. I'm thinking we're just gonna go with a good old Wet n Wild Bare It All with Bare to Comment gel liner. That's what I'm thinking. We're going to go in with a little Prime and Fine Dewy setting spray. Just because I used a LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation today. I don't know why I was thinking matte was going to be a good idea when I have dry skin. I just haven't used it in a while and I wanted to. Now my hair is kind of messy and weird and I'm going to have to go back and straighten it again. This is why I don't like putting my hair back when I do my makeup, because my hair will form to anything that is near it. So, yeah. So guys, that is the, oh my goodness, second look from the After Dark palette. We use that beautiful shimmer today. I love it. I like it a lot. So yeah, next Tuesday we will be doing After Hours. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel. You can see how all of these beautiful palettes work. So yeah, you don't want to miss it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Would love to have you. Hit the little bell to become part of the #Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos upload, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 10 a.m. If you want, head on over to my Facebook page. There you can ask me questions for future Q&A videos or any suggestions you want to give me. Just head on over there. Give me a little comment or something, or leave it on this video. Yeah, if I could spit out what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you'll tune in for more videos. And don't worry, palettes don't end there. I have other palettes that I'm going to be playing with on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, so trust me, lots and lots to come. So make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye!